Well, hey y'all, and welcome back. Today, it's not about cooking. This is a little more near and dear to my heart. I have some great friends, Jason and Roxy. They just started a brand new business. They had a YouTube channel called Our Show, Our Story, and just about their adventures through life, and it's great. But they decided to change directions, and they now have a business called Show and Story. Please check the description down below, and the link to all their stuff will be down there. And they sent me a special package. They sent me something I don't know how to say thank you for. I know what's in here. I haven't seen it yet, as the box is still completely sealed, but I don't know how to say thank you enough for everything you've done for me. You know, I get a lot of, we message back and forth, we talk a good bit, and you know, and they're always saying how much I inspired them. You don't know how much of an inspiration you are to me. And I highly recommend anybody watching this, please go check them out. Beautiful family, God-fearing family, and they just love what they're doing, and they can really use your support. But with that, let's go ahead and get this box open, because you're gonna love what's in here, because I've seen some of his work. I've seen the other things that he's made. This is a custom-made gift, and you can get custom-made gifts, items, whatever. Let's open it up and see what we got. Kind of nervous, I ain't gonna lie about it, because he has been asking if I've opened this yet, which I have not, because I wanted to get the Utah trip out of the way. So let's open it up and see what we have here. Okay, let's see here. Slide you out of the way. Now this is a bag. It's a bag. Got a chalk markers, okay. There's a base, an LED base. I guess this is a cleaning cloth for it. And we have a plug that this base uses. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and untwist this and get all this set up, because you're gonna love what this man does. Well, what him and his daughter do is amazing. Let's go ahead and get that done. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Wow, y'all. I don't know what to say other than this is amazing. It's acrylic, custom-made, lighted acrylic signs. I guess it's acrylic. Not really sure what this is made out of. Check that out. And this sits in the base, like so, like that. And take the plug. Get the plug. I got a plug down here just for this, and let's see. Look at that. Ha ha ha. Yes, sir. I don't know if it changes colors. Okay, it's just on and off. That is fine with me. I like this. But he sent some other ones, so I mean, how cool is that? I mean, come on, y'all. And you can get this custom made. I mean, I'm loving this. Oh, look, it's different sizes. That's what this is. Okay. So you can get these made in whatever size you want. Dude, Jason, I don't know what to say, buddy. Oh, wait a minute here. What is this? We have something else here that I need to show you. Okay, here's a different size, so we'll take this off and put this one on. Loving this. I am loving this. Lay you there carefully. We have more stuff. So let's open it up. And I love how well packaged. I mean, these are hand packaged. So if you are looking, I like this one. Look at this one, y'all. Can you read what it says? Can you? If you can't, well, I'll turn it this way. Look at that. Dang, I'm loving this. Man, this is amazing. I'm loving that. So, yeah, I'm kind of having a moment here. It's amazing to have friends like this in the world. Friends like this are not easily come by. All right, before I get off here, I need to turn this light off. Now, isn't that cool? That's cool. I mean, look at that. Let's change it out and see what it looks like. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with this. Wow, look at that one, y'all. And so you can put a personal written message on here for somebody. I am loving this. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. I'm liking this. Let me turn the lights back on real quick. If you're looking for designs like this, be sure to go down in the description and look for Show and Story Design down there. The link will be right there in the description to all their stuff and where you can order it and everything else. You don't even have to tell them that I sent you. I don't care about that. Just go over there and show them some love. The mosquitoes are eating my legs up down here. And show them that you care about the small businesses. And I mean, look, you can get so much custom made. I can't even tell you how much custom stuff they can do. They can do dang near anything you can probably think of. They even do monuments and memorials. So with that, I'm gonna get off here and go find a place to put this. Actually, I'm building my office right here in this building behind me. And trust me, this is gonna be in the background of a lot of videos and lives that I will have coming up soon. And if you're looking for something like this, like I said, go down there in that description and click on that link and go over there and order you something. I mean, this is better than something you can get at Walmart, I promise you. With that, I got to get off of here. Before I do, thank you, Jason and Roxy. I really, really, really love this. I can't say that enough. Thank you so much for this. I'm going to take this in here, show the kids and show the wife. We'll see you next time.